Hello again, my fellow modelers. So, I wanted to go a little more detail on this Datsun 240Z kit. I had put out a short about it that I was going to do it, and I think I'm finally getting a little bit of extra time to start this one. So, yeah, it's actually a Revell kit, came out in 2002. There's been releases of this kit. I think the last one was called a Brie Datsun 240Z, which was more of a race version. I really like the detail on it. It's not bad at all. It does have some, just kind of like a molding mark here, and a couple things that are going to have to be removed, especially, along here, but not too bad. Not a lot of flashing at all. Matter of fact, there's like hardly any, which is really nice. Just mainly just the molding. Here is the dash. So I actually used to own one of these. This is I believe this version is a 1970. They actually released it they came out with the car in 1969, but I think they actually touted it as they actually started selling them in 1970. So I believe that's what this version is. And here's the motor. So clearly it's already. That's the straight six with, I believe, oh boy, 190 horsepower, I think, maybe 160. I'm not quite sure. But in such a small car, that kind of horsepower, even though it wasn't a lot, was, it could really do well. So here's the back of the seats and the exhaust and back bumper. So yeah, just overall cool kit. Here is some extra pieces. I'm not sure. It looks like probably the manifold. Here's the chrome tree. This one's had the wheels removed already. And a bunch of stuff's been painted already, so I'll be repainting this more of just a realistic look, I think. I think I am going to actually go with more of a race version on this. I think I just love that little, more of a race car version. Maybe put a small fin on the back and a spoiler up front. And I don't know, I'll have to do a little more research. So anyway, that is that one. And so I will have another video up here probably in the next month or so. Doing a couple other builds right now, and we'll get started on this little sucker. I'll probably do more of a yellow color. I'm not quite sure yet, or I may go with the orange. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm gonna have to do some research, find out what some of these cars, the race versions, actually look like. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And this is Jerry, and I'm signing off. Thank you.